car from Porsche celebrated its high-profile premiere on 3 continents simultaneously. Next, the company presented the third version of the sports saloon with the Porsche Taycan 4s. This new model is available with 2 battery sizes and delivers with the performance battery up to 390 kilowatts, 530 PS, or with the performance battery plus up to 420 kilowatts, 571 PS. Following the Taycan Turbo S and the Taycan Turbo, the Porsche Taycan 4s is therefore the new entry-level model in the series. A single-deck performance battery with a total capacity of 79.2 kWh comes as standard. The 2-deck performance battery plus familiar from the Taycan Turbo S and Taycan Turbo is optionally available. The total capacity here is 93.4 kWh. The power output and range therefore vary correspondingly. With the performance battery, the Taycan 4s generates up to 390 kilowatts, 530 PS, overboost power output. Equipped with the Performance Battery Plus, it delivers up to 420 kilowatts, 571 PS. In both variants, the Porsche Taycan 4s accelerates from a standing start to 100 km per hour in 4.0 seconds. The top speed is also 250 km per hour in both cases. The range is up to 407 km with the Performance Battery and up to 463 km with the Performance Battery Plus, in accordance with WLTP in each case, the highest value of the current Taycan range. The maximum charging capacity, peak, is 225 kilowatts, Performance Battery, or 270 kilowatts, Performance Battery Plus.